road, just going to do a little bit of thing, contrary to his feeling. He's not really big on birthday celebrations, so it's like whatever for him, but
I like staying home.
It's too boring though, like seriously.
And I have to drive so far.
It's just one special day. Can we just all enjoy and get along?
I'm not getting along.
Josh the real in the back. What else? What you doing? You're just chilling?
Yeah.
Alright. Right, so yeah, we on the eye, you know, we're going kind of far. Yeah, we're going kind of far, but stick and stay because we're gonna show you a little bit about the evening, how we spend the evening. Hopefully it's interesting.
I'm not spending no evening.
Yeah, hopefully the three of us have a nice little time.
Stay home.
The All-Star game is coming on. So.
He's complaining that the All-Star game is coming on. These people are... Remind me guys, next year, February 16, remind me that this is the last time I'm going to even make any attempt to take anybody out for birthday, because I'm not about that life. Every year it's a fight. But anyway, yeah.
Look at the plane.
Yes, there's a plane landing there. The I-95 is kind of busy for a Saturday afternoon. I mean, like, where are these people going?
They were all going to my birthday.
Don't they know it's Yardie Belly's birthday to make way? Sure. So we have arrived. He didn't know where he was going. I don't even know where I'm going because it's pretty much the first time coming to this place, but we were referred. So yeah, we have to go to this marina to pick up a little boat to go over to where the restaurant is. Yes, other things set up. Stay tuned. And we invited his friends, but he didn't know we're inviting them, so they're here. Friends, say hi. Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Alright, so
We won with me in there.
our boat, a parrot. Yes.
Hey, cool. Look at these.
Our boat, a parrot. Let's go.
Only 19 people.
Alright, so we're going in.
I don't know.
Beautiful.
Some over here. Sit over here.
Oh, me?
Yes, sir.
I didn't know.
My name is Captain Joey, and this is a Coast Guard certified vessel. Their life jackets are in their seats, fire extinguisher forward and aft. Was a bootlegger during the years of Prohibition. And what he'd do is he'd go to Bimini, which is 50 miles off our coast, picking up rum and other types of alcohol, bringing it through the Hillsborough Inlet, seeking it all in a burlap bag tied to lines right here in front of you, in Lake Placid. One of the reasons why he never got caught, his brother was a lighthouse keeper. Flashed with the light, let him know the coast was clear. Also the time, his boats were faster than U.S. Coast Guards. Executive Chef Johnny Grant. He's going to be preparing for you tonight. It's going to be crab cakes. I'm from Maryland. I highly recommend it. Taps is the oldest restaurant in Broward County. It's 91 years old. Roosevelt and Churchill dined here during the war years. They stayed at Secretary of State Centinius's home, which is just on the other side of the island, the city of Hillsborough Beach, where they just finished building the most expensive home in Broward County, $159 million. Just north the Blues Boulevard is Deerfield Island Park. But better known to locals is out Coast Island. Out Coast coming to gamble and dine. Currently is a prohibition. His partner in crime? Fire Lansky, the money man. There's a show. Just one moment, please. I like your moccasins. Welcome. One step, please. Yeah, hey, thanks. No problem. One step, huh? One step. Ooh, nice.
Thank you.
Mayo, who think up this place here?
Your wife.
You know, say she mad? She mad.
I was prohibited from talking.
Are you sick? Mate, that's why you're quiet, sir.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, so we just got off the boat. We're just going on this little bridge thingy towards the restaurant. The restaurant is like a old historic location. Nothing fancy, but it's just a nice ambiance if that's what you're looking for. Something very secluded and unique, and the food here is very great. So yeah, let's go.
This is Austin?
Yes, I saw that.
She was almost crying.
I don't know. Me don't know why them can they always think about some weird place.
My clients referred me to it from years ago. This is beautiful.
This is nice.
Mayo, me never want to come now.
What you said?
But from the boat, that's it.
Yes, sir.
No, the food better tastes good.
It's better.
It's me John them. Me mama tell you. Yo, for real. Cap's place on the marina. Several different buildings. And we're going on the inside.
Look at the water.
The water is so very watery. Hello. Nice.
Have a nice time. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Bye.
On the inside. Cap's place. Now we're all the way back. We're all the way to the back.
Have a good time.
Thank you. Next sit over there. Oh. Yes, the man for watch. No, make sure and Joshua sit down. Joshua, come on, go on there.
Beer by the bottle. Okay, we have Click, Corona, Stella, Micocha,
What is Click?
It's a Bahamian beer. Click
What about imports? You have Red Stripe beer from Jamaica?
Nope. Just a Bahamian beer. Heineken. That's it. Yeah, we have Heineken. Bud Light or Yingling. That was the last two that was missing. Heineken, Bud Light.
England?
Yingling. Should I just give you water for now? Give you a second to think? There's no rush. Other than alcohol, where's the other drink? So just like regular soda, Sprite, Coke, Diet Coke, 7-Up, ginger ale. We have juice. Any juice that goes on cocktail. So orange juice, pineapple, grapefruit.
I'm going to have to come back.
So we're 5 as an entree served over a lemon butter sauce. And then we have our miniature lobster shells. They're about 3.5 to 4 ounces per main. 1 as an appetizer, 2 as an entree. You can have them steamed, broiled, grilled, or fried in rice flour with a lemon caper butter sauce. And the soup for tonight is cream of mushroom. Okay? So a couple of alternatives for the seafood. We have a New Zealand A-bone and rack of lamb. And the prime cut steak for tonight is a 13-ounce ribeye. Fresh fish, yellowtail snapper, mahi-mahi. Chef special for tonight is a sesame encrusted salmon with soy ginger sauce on the side. Or you can have a char grill if you prefer it that way. Okay? It's a Scottish soup. So everything on our menu is made to order. You can have it prepared any way you like. So black and broiled, grilled, fried, however you choose. Our signature preparation, however, is Johnny style. Johnny's our chef over 2 decades. Anything you order that way is going to be lightly floured, deep fried, and then sauteed in a skillet with a white wine and butter garlic sauce. It's really good. Pairs really well with the snapper or scallops, even chicken breast if you want to try it that way, okay? But it applies to the menu.
Wow. Ooh. Bread and butter tastes good. And based on the prices, I think this is all I'm gonna eat for the day. It's nice, this is nice. Everybody say cheese. And crackers. Oh, it's a video. Outside here, our appetizers are all here. Yay! Appetizers. Crab cakes over there. Yeah, the crab cakes.
And then you get 2 for your
Crab cake. Crab cakes. Oh, everybody got their crab cake.
And the greens have a vinaigrette on them, okay? Thank you. Wow.
God expect Father God and help us to have a good time. And have fun. We celebrating his birthday, Father God, with his family. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen.
Amen. Thank you, sir. I appreciate you. You have to say the same way.
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
Whoa! Oh my God! This is good. I tell you. Look.
Tell me how it is.
It's good, ma'am?
Oh my God.
Oh yeah. Let me go. Oh my goodness.
Joshua, how it is?
How is it?
It is awesome. This is very good. It is supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. It's nice. Honestly,
it's very organic.
get this. If I could own a restaurant, it would be something like this, where I could definitely control the amount of people that come and control the whole vibe of it, keep it nice and quaint. I like it.
Rustic.
Yes, rustic. Classic. I like it. You did good, Candy. Oh, Joshua's idea.
No, you stop. No, don't be doing that. Man, I'll put your head through the glass. Say something.
Wow, look at that. Look, outside the lights look like it's almost daytime. Yeah. Look at this old time cash register. Wow. That's awesome. It's a there's so much history. Wow. Look, that's a big fish head. Awesome. Huh? Yeah, I'm just doing a quick scan. Look at this, guys. This is way before the bridge was even built. That's Old Oakwood Park Boulevard Bridge. Wow. And what date is that? 1951. Wow. This is a picture of the original building, right? Wow. Who's that? Who's that? Look at that lovely lady. Hey! Jamming. It's a lovely night outside. It's just beautiful out here, guys. There goes the water right there. People dining.
It's very laid back over that side, you know. If you don't get out like to the city or much nightlife, it's great. You know, east side it's also very nice, you know, and further north, you know, it's really cool. Yeah, you get a good mix, yeah. So you'll have a little nightlife, but not too much.
Right. I had my nightlife about 20 years ago.
Yeah. I think about.
But mate, I swear.
Calamari over here. Escargot. Oh my god. These are snails, guys. Snails. And we have hearts of palm salad over there.
The appetizers are awesome. Awesome. I'm enjoying the appetizers and I've not yet started on the escargot. Can you believe it? I never know somebody come up here and come near and see snail. You can't believe it in Jesus' name. You're doing
That's escargot, guys. Can you believe it? Escargot. Hey, escargot. 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 Hey,
Yeah, this is the last one. Take a piece from me. Go, Josh. Go. Take a piece.
Go, Josh, go. Go, Josh, go. Joshua, come on. Put name up.
Put a name up, bro. You. Now you two. No, two.
Oh, it tastes man.
I don't like the clams.
Alright, let me taste it.
Kina is gonna try the escargot.
Alright. This is escargot.
Escargot.
Oh, sorry. Escargot. First time.
Sometime today.
Man, chew and swallow.
It tastes like the clam.
Take the bread. And you put all the calamity in it. And then you take the heart of palms. And you put the hearts of palms in it. And you press it down.
There's some sauce in it.
Put some sauce in it. I don't got no sauce.
It is not that good.
It's great. Excellent over magnificent.
Okay, you can not. I can see why.
Night time.
I mean, no, you are.
I
literally have water vision too, so I can just.
Tamia got the lobster. OMG. Yeah. Ooh. Go.
Joshua.
Yes, please.
If you want, I can take a picture of everybody. Okay, that's
See, we got you right here.
everybody okay? Can I give you anything? Yes, more?
More lemon.
Okay. How many showers?
Well, my girls. Everybody enjoying their meal. Tamia is going in on her lobster. Same one over there, so with whatever she have on for her plate. Oh, crab cakes again. Watch your brother there over there, so. And this lady here got the seafood platter. It's very platterous. And I didn't get anything. You crazy guys? I'm not eating all of that food. You mad man. I had a good order. Really, babes? Really?
It's the Deerfield birthday, all right? You gotta help me sing. Ready? Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear.
Say something. Say something. No, say something other than something.
Oh, thank you guys.
Say something else.
Wait. You have more words than that.
Say something else.
Take a picture. Mia, move closer. Yeah, no, the other way.
Blow the candle.
Wait.
Hush.
Light it, Mark.
Blow the candle.
So we just get done with the dinner.
Yes, eat.
And you want to know, say, so mix up going with the crab cakes, ladies and gentlemen. The crab, one crab cake at $17, we never know.
Yes, yes.
And my wife ordered 6. The crab cake alone, the appetizer alone come up to more than the food. Actually, the Lord bless us. Them don't trick we here. We just think the crab cake cheap. And it was...
The crab cake fresh.
The crab cake was so nice. Give me 6. Here, Simone. Oh, I like crab cake. I want it for entree. Ladies and gentlemen, help us, Jesus. This is Cap's restaurant, and it's a beautiful place. You have a bar area over here. It's really nice. Restroom areas, and then you have to go to the dock to be sent back to the mainland. Yeah, all in all, it was a good experience, but as I told you, money wise, we had a serious mistake with the crab cakes, so we end up spending over $100 extra. But you only live once, right? If anything, what I do is set up a GoFundMe page so we can make back the $100 for my birthday. And we're in Deerfield Beach at Lighthouse Point, and those are the folks over there waiting to go back on the boat. And yep, that's what's going on. I think that's our little boat coming for us right there. Little boat, and there's a fish just jump in the water. Yep. Kitchen area. Hey, like, share, subscribe. See you when I see you. This is Centwood signing out.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.